In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize footers in Microsoft Word effectively, ensuring your documents have the professional touch they deserve. Whether you're preparing a report, thesis, or any formal paper, understanding how to manipulate footers will greatly enhance your document's presentation. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. You might be working with an existing document or starting a new one, but either way, having the document open is our first step. It's vital as all our actions will be applied directly to it. Once your document is open, navigate to the Insert tab located on the top menu. This is where you'll find various insert options from tables to shapes and more pertinent to us, the footer. Click on Footer, which will present you with several style options. For our purpose today, we're selecting a blank footer. Once clicked, note that the footer will automatically appear at the bottom of your page. Next, let's tackle the layout of your document. Move over to the Layout tab on the top menu and select Breaks. Within this menu, choose Next Page. This action helps in maintaining consistent formatting across pages, crucial when dealing with extensive documents with multiple sections. After this, take a moment to scroll. You'll notice that your second page mirrors the footer from the first, a necessary detail as we proceed with adjustments. Now focus on the second page. Click directly on the footer area and magically a new menu called Header and Footer Tools appears on your ribbon. This tool set is specifically designed to give you more control over your header and footer sections, giving you that extra edge on document customization. Within the Header and Footer Tools, direct your attention to the Link to Previous option under the navigation group. By default, this is activated, meaning your footers are linked across the pages. Click it to deactivate this feature, indicated by the removal of the highlight around the text. This action is crucial when you want unique footers for each section or page in your document, offering your work a more segmented and professional appearance. And there you have it. By completing these steps, you have successfully customized footers across your Microsoft Word document, ensuring clarity and professionalism in your presentation. Practice this process a few times to get a firm grip on footer customization. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide empowers you to enhance the quality and professionalism of your documents. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on navigating the world of document creation and formatting. Have a great day and happy writing. Washit.